Hello friends, today is a lesson for my beginner buddies out there who are just getting started, learning maybe your first few open chords and you're having trouble switching between the chords. I've got a little trick for you that'll help you get your hands cooperating much faster. Okay, so usually when you very first start out on guitar, you're learning a couple of open chords. You're talking like a G major. Maybe you switch to a C, a D, maybe an E minor. But when you're first starting out, you're moving your hand, you're trying to get all your fingers to cooperate. You strum it a couple times, and then you move and you're like doing a lot of this and trying to find the spot. And the trick I have for you today that is going to vastly accelerate your ability to play the chords in sequence and get your fingers cooperating is the play without strumming trick. And that is to keep your right hand going, which is very easy to do, just going down like that. Doesn't take any practice to do it and continue doing it. It's the left hand that's a problem, or right hand if you're a lefty player. So what I would suggest doing is downloading like a free metronome app or using metronome right on google.com. And let me show you like the app on the phone, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I've got this free metronome app here, Pro Metronome, and I just set it to a tempo and start clicking. Put it down, and maybe I'm strumming one per click. That's a little fast. Let's slow it down a little bit. There we go. So So what I'm doing is I'm continuing to strum with my right hand along with the click and not stopping, even if my left hand won't cooperate. If I'm strumming and then I'm struggling and getting all this noise and wrong strings and all that, if you keep doing that, your left hand will cooperate, or again, right hand if you're lefty, your fret hand will cooperate much better and much more quickly within a couple days, a few days, rather than weeks of struggling with trying to learn how to switch the chords well. It's a very simple trick, but it's very effective. And when you're first starting out, it's going to help you with everything that you do, including when you get into bar chords and more complex stuff. So there it is. It's a soundbite of a lesson, just a couple minutes, but one that's going to help you learn a bunch quicker. And guys, I hope your journey into guitar is enjoyable and that my videos are useful for you. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Until next time, keep making great music.
Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.